Dun, dun, dun. Today in the Fancy Apron kitchen, we are making a red, white, and blue fruit salad. It's super fun, it's really cute, it tastes great, and you are going to be the hero of the side dish table at the cookout you go to this summer. All right, the recipe card for this patriotic red, white, and blue fruit salad is down in the description below. We are gonna start by going through our berries and getting those ready for the salad. Then we will make our white stars, a quick dressing. It's gonna be amazing. It's gonna go fast. First, we're gonna get our strawberries ready. So these have been washed and dried. I'm gonna cut the tops off and then quarter them. You're gonna get all of your prepared strawberries into a big bowl. Add a pint of raspberries and a pint of blueberries. Then we can move on to our apple stars. I'm using 2 big, beautiful Honeycrisp apples for this recipe. The texture and the flavor is awesome for the fruit salad. We are gonna punch out our little stars with these mini shapes cookie cutters that I have a link to down in the description below so you can grab some also. Once you're ready, you're gonna slice off an end so that you're working with a flat edge. Then you're gonna take about a 1/4 inch slice of the apple, and you're gonna do that all of the way down until your apple is totally sliced. Now you're gonna start punching out your stars. So I prefer the medium one overall just because it's the closest size to my strawberries, but you can do whatever you want. When I wanna use my bigger size star, I'm gonna do that on the edge, and then I'm gonna punch out whatever I can with the smaller shape, so then there's the minimum amount of waste, which I actually don't waste any of it. I'm gonna take all of these scraps and put them aside into a container for my kids to snack on, and then we're just gonna repeat the process with the next apple until you have this big, beautiful bunch of cute little stars. So my apple scraps are gonna go into the fridge for my kids to eat later, and we're gonna get these apple stars in the bowl with our berries. So now that our fruit is completely prepared and ready to go, we are gonna make the little syrup that we're gonna put on top of it. To make the syrup for your fruit, you're gonna start with 2 or 3 tablespoons of honey, depending on how sweet you want the dressing to be. Then to that, you're gonna add the juice from 1 lemon and the juice from 1 orange. One thing that's nice about the acid from the lemon and the orange is that it's going to help keep our apples from oxidizing a little bit. It's kind of a little protector, but it also makes the salad nice and bright and just lets those berry flavors shine through. So make sure you take any seeds out that happen to have fallen in there. You're going to stir it really, really well, and then you're good to go. Now you can pour that honey and juice mixture over your fruit salad, and we're gonna gently fold it together. Just be careful to try to not mash up those raspberries too much. My Hulk hands can't help it, and I broke a couple, so tread lightly. Okay, so we are being kind of gentle when we fold our fruit salad together. It's just adorable though. It really does look great. I do have a busted raspberry by friend. Okay, now for the final presentation, I am gonna come back and lay out some stars on top, make sure I've got enough blue on top, because if we are going to impress everybody with our amazing fruit salad, we want it to look nice, at least on the top, before everybody wrecks it and eats it. The final product, we are cute, we are patriotic, and we are gonna be delicious. Bam. So I told you this was gonna be fast and easy. It's fun, it's tasty, it looks fun. So if you're not like an A+ cook and you don't know what to bring to your next cookout, make this, right? Everyone's gonna be like, oh, what, the fruit salad, it looks so good. Yeah, and I appreciate it. I appreciate you watching. I appreciate you sticking with me this far. If this video helped you, if you're inspired to make it, drop a comment, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe so you can come back and see the rest of my summer cookout meals, because we are gonna kill it this summer. We are gonna do it. We're gonna do it up good. All right, bye.